Welcome back. So today we'll look at deal 10 of the 10 days of deals at Harbor Freight. Today's deal 9, so technically you'll have some time to still get deal 9, but tomorrow, October the 2nd, will be deal 10. So again, today, I forget what time Harbor Freight closes, but this video should be up before then. It's the professional gravity feed spray gun, the Black Widow. It's $99. In yesterday's video, it does show that this is an excellent deal. The lowest price, according to the price history, that this one was at, I believe, was $140. So you're saving about $50 off of the lowest price that it's ever been. So this is an excellent deal, and I have heard really good things about this brand. And then you have this lantern that's 60% off, $2. But looking at deal 10, doesn't look like it's here. I mean, it does. Oh yeah, it does show it's here. So it doesn't have the actual coupon. I'm sure it's in my email. But it's the titanium easy flux 125 amp welder, again for Wednesday, October 2nd, $99.99. It's showing that it was $150 and it's $50 off. So about 33% off. So if you're in the market for a welder, this could be a good get, but let's verify the price history. And so we'll do that right now. So this is the titanium easy flux. Let's just do 125 amp. And we have two here, easy flux 125 amp welder, 125 amp welder. Let's see, what's the difference here? Well, if we're using just the picture, it appears to be this one here. And here's the history. So it appears to be currently listed at $150, which is accurate to the advertisement. Although, again, the blue line here, it shows that the price went up recently. It was listed back in August at $129 as the normal price. And then over here, of course, it shows that the lowest price that it's ever been at was on $29.99. And that looks accurate. It looks like there's been multiple coupons. This welder has been dropping in price over the last year and a half, almost 2 years. But the lowest price was $129.99, and it is going to be even lower than that. So $99.99. So $50 off from its current list price, but it was listed a little bit cheaper not too long ago, but still $30 off of that. So that's still a pretty good deal. Verified that this is a good deal and something to keep an eye out for. So that being said, this is the last deal of the day. Tomorrow, October 2nd, a welder. It is a great deal. $30 off of its lowest price that it's ever been listed at. Of course, right now it's listed at $150, so the $50 is a little bit misleading, but still a really good deal if you're in the market for a welder. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. Happy shopping. Find some deals. I'll hopefully keep this up again soon and find some deals for everybody and try to share them. Thanks.